If you're watching this video, I think you might be one of these people. First of all, those people who are going to join the gym and you have been advised to buy whey protein in order to gain muscle. Second of all, those people who have already joined the gym but you don't have enough money in order to buy the whey protein. And thirdly, you're one of those people who have been going to the gym but you're not seeing significant results even after consuming whey protein. The very first thing which I would like to tell you guys that whey protein or any other kind of supplements are supplements. They are called as supplements for a reason. They fill up the remaining amount of protein which needs to be filled up. Okay, and the primary thing which needs to be filled up is with food, which is high in protein. So you're supposed to have food, you're supposed to eat properly, especially high in protein. And if after consuming that you are not getting your recovery up to the point and you are not gaining the muscle mass which you want at a particular rate, then you can add some whey protein into your diet. It is not going to magically help you gain muscle mass. So I have had many friends who just give me excuses that, no, I don't have whey protein, that's why I can't build muscle. That is very wrong. First of all, that is a myth that you need whey protein in order to build muscle. The ideal amount of protein which a person requires is around 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight, not kgs, pound. Okay, that is the amount of protein which you are supposed to have. And I believe that 0.8 grams per pound of your body weight is something which you can definitely consume through food. Even if you don't have whey protein, you can definitely consume this through food. And some of you must be like, no, I've never had so much protein, it's so bulky, I'm so filled up, and I cannot eat so much. How do you expect to get results if you don't eat? The very wrong thing which people do is that they don't eat properly. They don't have enough good food in their diet in order to get the body which they want, in order to get the aesthetics which they want. That is not going to work. The most important thing in order to gain muscle is to have enough protein in your diet. That is for sure, but that's not going to come entirely through your whey protein. You're supposed to have food which is high in protein. So if you're a non-vegetarian, you're supposed to start incorporating chicken, fish, eggs, whatever, whichever favorite foods in terms of protein which you can have, except for some red meat or something that is not healthy for you. I would not suggest having red meat on a regular basis if you want to gain muscle in a healthy way. If you want a dirty bulk, be my guest. I am extremely against dirty bulking. You don't need to have so much food. You don't need to get fat in order to gain muscle. So I do not believe in dirty bulking at all. You just need to have an appropriate amount of protein inside your body. So a good nutrition plan with appropriate amount of protein, carbs and fats, and added with hardcore training. You are supposed to train hard in the gym. You are not going to gain muscle by lifting just 1 or 2 kgs all the time and doing hundreds of reps. That's not going to happen. In order to gain muscle, you're supposed to progressively overload your muscle. That's how you're going to gain muscle. You're supposed to lift heavier than before. The amount of reps which you do actually does not matter when you're trying to gain muscle. If your goal is, if your main primary focus is to gain a little bit of muscle mass for a change, then you're supposed to lift heavy with quality reps. It doesn't matter if the reps are low, but as long as it is in a good form and you're lifting heavy, it is going to help you to gain muscle mass. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video, and I wish that all of you would share this very important video with all of your friends who are asking whether whey protein will help you gain muscle, and is whey protein absolutely necessary in order to gain muscle mass.